Hello you guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my BDO NOMURA tutorial. So this is it. This is the actual trading. Ito po yung makikita ninyo if you will trade. Time check, it's 11:46. It's Philippine time. So the market is still open. Later it will have a recess at 12 noon. Okay, just a quick dry run. This is active list. Active watch list. PSEI. So ito po yung stocks ng Philippine stock market. Then there's another option, my portfolio. Yung my portfolio, it means ito po yung shares na meron po kayo. So these are my shares for today or from my trading. I have 4 shares. So dito nyo po makikita sa my portfolio. So let's go back to PSEI. Next is product. It should be equity. Okay, this is the search bar. If you want to search for a specific stock, you can write it here, but you should write this one, the 2 or 3 letter or 4, just the stock name for a specific company. Okay, let's say when we say stock name, let's say for Ayala Corporation, this is it, AC. So watch list, board, normal, buy and sell. Okay. So that's why we are here, is to buy and to sell stocks. Now I will show you on how to buy a stock. But before that, let's familiarize what's in here. Okay, for example, Ayala Corporation. Okay, last price, previous close, high, low, open and close. Magpo-focus po muna tayo dito. Last price, ito po yung pinaka-latest price or market price for the day. So, the cost is 756.0000. Okay. Yung previous close, it means what is the last price in the previous day or the previous close. Previous day, it means yesterday. Okay, the trading ends at 3:30 yesterday. So this is the last price. No, this is not the last price because this is the previous close of the opening price. Yung nag-open po yung market, 761 po yung price. Okay? As you can see, close 0 kasi the market is still ongoing. It's still on trading. Later, you can see numbers here. What is the closing price? Okay, let's go to high. High, ito po yung highest price of the stock that you have. Let's say, yes, Ayala Corporation. So, as it reached 761. Then yung low is the lowest price of the day, 747. Okay? So next is total bid quantity and total asked quantity. Bid quantity, blue. Asked quantity, red. Bid, it means they are the bidders or they are the buyers. As, they are the sellers. Okay, as you can see here, mas marami po yung sellers kesa buyers. Okay? And the volume is the number of traders for Ayala Corporation. Okay, next, down here, Ano po itong mga numbers na nandito? Okay. Bid and ask. Bidders and sellers. Buyer, seller. So, ito po yung prices na binibid ng mga buyer. So, the highest price is 756. They are bidding a price which is 756. Okay? And the lowest bidders is 751. The price is 751. This is the lowest ask price nandito sa pinakauna. And the last one, you can scroll down here. Ito po yung highest. Okay. So, paano po ba tayo bibili ng stock? So, if you want to buy Ayala Corporation, just click this one first. Let's say if you want to buy Globe Telecom, you need to click Globe Telecom first. So, to check if it's right, you're doing it right, Globe Telecom should be shown in this side. Okay? So, let's say, okay, Globe Telecom. Then, you will click Buy. Yan. Ito po yung makikita ninyo. Okay, investor ID, action buy, order type limit, board normal, field type day. Okay, stock, globe, GLO, quantity, and price. Alright. Nandito po na price is ito po yung market price. Actually, you can edit this one. Okay. Of course, you will buy a stock which costs lesser than the market price. Let's check what's the market price of Globe. The market price is 1,992. Do not buy at 1,992. Make it lower. Or else you can buy at that price after nyo pong na-analyze na this price is good. Okay? But you will find out later if it's a good price or not a good price to buy. 1990. Okay. Quantity. Ito po yung number of stocks na gusto nyo pong bibilhin. Later, we will tackle about board lot. Okay? Board lot, it means sa bawat presyo ng stock, may specific na quantity na allowed bibilhin. Okay? There is specific minimum quantity of stock na pwede siyang bibilhin. Okay. Let's say you want to buy 40. Or let's say 10. Okay. You can see here order value. Order value is the product of price and quantity. So 19,900. You should have a buying power of 19,900 in order to buy this stock. But let's check your buying power. What is buying power? Ito po yung buying capacity niyo. Ito po yung meron po kayong pera sa inyong fund.
Now, this is my buying power po. I have 1,464.84. So, it means it is lesser than the 19,900 na kailangan pong mabibili in order to buy Jollibee. So, hindi ko po siya mabibili as of now.
20,000. Let's say this is 20,000. Okay? And you will just click buy. And then meron pong lalabas na notification dyan. Okay? Notifications. Order rejected. Of course, the reason is insufficient funds. If it's accepted, order accepted or confirm. Order confirmed. And then, to recheck or to cross-check if you successfully bought that stock, punta po tayo sa trade and then order book. Okay. Sa order book, dito po makikita yung mga stock that you ordered to buy and you place for selling. Okay. For today, I'm trying to sell 2 stocks, AP and Web. Okay. And if it is successfully bought or successfully sold, makikita po yan sa executed orders. But if you just want to check what are the successful stocks that you bought and you sold for specific day, you can check here. Okay, February 1 to February 11. Okay. Yan, pinapakita po yung successful na stock na nabili ko at yung binili ko. Okay, let's go to sell. Of course, di mo mabibenta itong lahat ng stock na nandito sa PSEI section. So, saan kayo pupunta? Sa inyong my portfolio. So, while ago, these are the stocks that you own. Okay. Okay, let's say if you want to sell ICT. Sell. Okay, again. Click the stock and then sell. For a while. As you can see, on recess because it's already 12. But you can still bid your price and ask and sell your stock while on recess. So on recess, it means market is closed. They have lunch break. So the prices is frozen. Okay? Last price for this stock is 126. The highest it get is 127.30. Which is the same as the opening price. Okay, let's go back. If you want to sell this stock, ICT, sell. Okay, just remember, if it's sell, the color of the background will be red. If it's buy, the color of the background will be blue. Okay, the quantity here, unlike po sa buy, you can choose how many stocks that you want to buy. But in the selling portion, you can only sell what you have. So I only have 10. Makikita po ninyo dito sa available quantity. I only have 10 stocks sa ICT. Okay? So 10 stocks. And I will set the price. It's either equal to the market price or higher than the market price, or higher than the price that you bought, Let's say I bought ICT at 131 and the market price for today is 126. So I am deciding to hold this stock for a while. Let's go to my account. Ito yung buying power summary. Again, buying power, this is your buying capacity. This is the amount na meron po kayo sa inyong fund. So, I have 1,464. Cash statement. Yan. Opening balance. And free cash available. Okay, watch list. Notification. Yan. Order rejected. Last time because of insufficient funds. And then if you want to check the chart of each stock, of course, before buying, you will check the chart or the movement of that stock. Kung Jollibee, go to analysis and then chart. Okay, yan. So, for now, hindi pa po klaro sa atin kung paano po basahin yung chart. But later, I will try to teach you the basic and the indicators that I am using to check whether, the stock, whether it's good to buy or it's good to sell. Okay? Add indicator. Okay, these are the indicator that you will use later. The candlestick chart. Ito po yung candlestick. Okay? Yung red and green. Later, I will teach you what is candlestick. Hinay-hinay lang po. And if you want to change it, column chart, yan, iba. But for me, I am using candlestick chart. Okay. So again, to buy, just click the stock, check on the side, it should be the same, then click buy. Okay, again, BDO, let's say if you want to buy BDO, check BDO, check on this on the right side. If it's BDO, then buy, then check again, BDO. Okay. And sell, you will change it to my portfolio. Okay? Pag bibili po kayo, if you will sell, you will go to my portfolio. Kasi ito po yung stocks na meron po kayo. So, again, check the stock. Check on the right side, it's the same, and then sell, and then it's the same. And you can edit the quantity. The quantity should be equal to your available quantity, and the price, you can edit this one also. And that's it. Let the market decide, and you should have strategy. But later, I will show you the basic that I know. Okay, so this is the art of stock market. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions later, just comment down below, and I will be happy to assist you. Thank you, and see you on my next video.